Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm your host Ruchi Bharani. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you an instant version of appam. So let's begin with the recipe of Rava appam. Let's start with sauteing a few ingredients. For that, I'm going to heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add in some mustard seeds, a few curry leaves. Into this, let's add in half an onion finely chopped, half a capsicum finely chopped, 8 to 10 French beans finely chopped, half a carrot finely chopped. Let's quickly stir fry these vegetables just for a minute, so make sure everything is finely chopped. Next, let's add in 1 cup of semolina, let's cook this for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, let's quickly remove this mixture into a bowl and let it cool down for at least 5 minutes. It's been cooling since 5 minutes. Now let's add in all the other ingredients. So I have ginger chili paste here, garam masala, half a teaspoon, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut, some coriander leaves. Let's give this a mix. Into this, now I'm going to add in half a cup of curd. Half a cup of water. At this point, I'm going to let this rest for around 15 minutes. 15 minutes are up and now I'm going to add in some more water. I didn't add all of it at once because semolina tends to absorb a lot of water. So now we know exactly how much we need. So let's add in another half cup. Give it a mix. This is the consistency that I need for the batter. And now just before cooking, I'm going to add a very small pinch of soda. This is optional, so if you don't have it or you don't want to add it, you can skip it. I've kept an appam plate to heat. Into this, now I'm going to add in a few drops of oil. Just brush it all over. And now, let's add in the batter. Cover this and let it cook on low heat for a few minutes. Let's check on these. Once you see little brown edging on the side, that means that side is done. Now, over this, I'm just going to add in a few drops of oil before I flip them over. Let's flip them over. These seem to be done. Let's get them out. Now that you know the recipe to make instant Rava appam, you don't have to worry about breakfast or even for tiffin snacks. So do try this at home, comment below, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.